Dear teachers, welcome to another session on EdTech Tools by MGM Model School. Today, we can have a look at a new tool called wakelet. It's an amazing tool using which you can organize your educational resources that can be shared to your students. To start wakelet, type wakelet.com in the address bar. That time you will be getting the home page of wakelet. This is the screen using which that you can create a new account by clicking on sign up. If you have already an account with you, just click on login. Now it's the first time that we are using the wakelet, so it is needed to sign up with it. Just click on the sign up button, the green button that you can see here. Just click on the sign up button and the sign up screen will be appearing here. You can sign up with it using the Google account if you have, or using the Facebook account or Microsoft account if you have, you can sign up with it. If you don't have any account and if you are using an alternate mail for using the wakelet, you can click on sign up with the email and give your details so that you can create an account. At present, I have an account with me. That is why I'm just going to already have an account. That's why I'm going to click on login. Once you click on login, it asks for the email. Just type the email ID. I'm typing my email ID for joining into this one and give the password. Click login so that the wakelet will be opened. It's actually a new account. It's the first time that I'm going to use this one because just now only I created this one, and it is the first screen that we can see in wakelet. As you know that it is a place where you can store the collections or you can store the resources in one place. And there is no limitation for storing the different items in it, which are the various resources. It can be a text, it can be a PDF file, it can be a picture, it can be an animated file, it can be a movie, it can be a link to another website, it can be a tweet, or it can be a Facebook post, whatever it may be that are associated to your topics, you can add to your collection. Many collections are possible in a wakelet. We will be looking into that one first. How can we create the collection? For creating your first collection, you can see that the plus sign which is highlighted here. Click on that plus sign so that you can start the new collection. We are going to create the first collection by clicking on the plus sign here. First of all, it is asking for a new cover page. Here you can see a new cover page. Add a cover image there. For adding a cover image, what you want to do normally in Facebook, you are doing the same thing that we can do here. If you have an image with you, you can directly upload that image. If you don't have an image, for temporary, we are going to use an image from the library. So the wakelet has a collection of images there. Based on the subject that we can choose the image. Here I'm going to choose the subject as a climate change related to global warming. I want some of the pages related to, or pictures related to global warming. For that, I can take some images, search for some images from this list itself. I'm going to take an image from this image that will be appearing here, that you can see that is appearing here. I can change its cover with a full cover image or half cover image. I'm putting it as a half cover image to get more space. And the name of our collection. I can give a name to the collection. I'm giving the name of the collection as climate change that will be showing here, and a description. What about this one? It's actually related to collection of information related to climate change. If you want, you can make a modifications later. So our cover image is set, subject is set, and a brief description of the subject also. Now we have to add a background image. How can we add a background image to improve its appearance? To add a background image, what you can do, just click on this gear wheel. You can find the gear wheel on the left top corner. Click on that gear wheel so that you'll be getting some of the options. Here also you can see appearance, add a background image. Click on that. It shows upload an image, choose from library. These options again and again, the same kind of option is coming. The things are very much the same. Very easily that you can choose an image from the library. Just click on library. Again, it will be showing some of the pictures from it. Here also again, if you want, you can have a search on this one. I'm just searching for climate system, especially for some of the images related to climate. I'm putting climate. Okay, then just specifying this one. And I need something related to the older one I have already selected. Same color pattern. Or you can have any other image. If you want, you can make it. Okay, so now images are set. Here you can see the changes on the top corner on the right side, that you can see the done. Once you finished your verse, you can click on done. We are not going to click on done now because we are in the beginning stage only. The changes will be automatically saved, that you can see in the top of the screen itself. Here, a tick mark, a white tick mark in a blue circle that you can find out here. It is the changes saved message. Whenever you are doing some actions in the wakelet, it will automatically save. You will not wait for your confirmation. Automatically that will be saved in wakelet. It's time to add contents into our collection. To add content into the collection, click on the plus sign. There you can see various options. A box that you can see here, in which you can type or copy and paste the web addresses. Another one option that is available here is adding text. The plain text contents we can add. Some descriptions related to this topic or announcement that you have to make in the class. All those the kind of things that you can add in this text box. Let us see first how to add the text contents into this one. By click on add text. You will be getting a box in which we can type the contents. We can have a definition of climate change. I am taking it from one of the site. Copy and paste it here. This contents can be modified. Its alignment can be modified. Its size can be changed. You can make it as bold text. You can underline it. You can change its size into heading level 1 by clicking on this one. You can align it to the center. So that part is selected part is aligned to the center. Now I want to make changes in this text also. Select it, and I want to make it as heading level 2, like that. If you once you click it again, it will be changed into the normal format. This again, I want to make it as center. Now it is aligned center. After making the changes, click on done. So our first element in our collection is added. Next, we can add an image into our collection. For that, click on the plus sign. The next tool we can see here is image. Click on image. And I'm going to upload an image from the system. Click upload image. Searching pictures where there is a file global warming, a picture. Click on that. You can add the picture that will be appearing here. Okay, just take your time for loading. We can add another one item. Click on the image appeared here. If you want to give a caption for it, you can give a caption for the image. Just place the cursor on the image. Then you can see a pen. That's the edit button. Click on it, and you can give a caption. Just to giving the caption as a global warming effect. Okay, after giving the caption, click on done. The done that is near that picture. Okay, now that is saved here. You can see the changes saved. Click on the plus sign to add a PDF file. Click on upload PDF icon. Select a PDF file. There's some PDF files that you can see. A PDF file, a climate. Click on that and click open. That file will be uploaded now. Now the picture is the PDF file is uploaded. If you want to give any change in the caption, you can edit it. You can give some more details about this file. The details related to global warming. Click done. So that under the description I added with the PDF file. Next, we can add a YouTube video. For that, click on the plus sign, and in the application buttons, you can see the apps buttons there. The apps tool, click on it, and for the YouTube, scroll down and see the YouTube. Click on YouTube. Based on the subject, you can search for the video. Climate change is my topic, so I'm searching a video related to climate change. Select it, see, and video, that's I got a video of climate change from the National Geographic channel, a 3.05 minute video. Select and click OK. And now that YouTube video is added here. You can edit it. Still, editing is possible. The names can be changed. More descriptions can be given. After that, click done. So far, we have added text contents, image, PDF file, YouTube video. Let us add another one, option, that is tweets. If you have a Twitter account, you can take some data from Twitter, the tweets that you have made or tweets made by somebody else. You can take like a copy, and that tweets can be added here. Let us search for some tweets related to climate change. Click on climate change and search for the word climate change. So it is searching from my Twitter account, because I have a Twitter account. From that we can search and animal genetics related to this one. Okay, friends of the earth, you can take. Select on this one, just click on it, plus add. So that tweet will be appearing here. That Twitter, from the Twitter, the tweet we can add into your collection in this way. Next, let us see how can we make the appearance in different ways. That is through the layout options. You can see the layout option here as change layout. Click on this. Here by default we are in the media view. There is another option there, compact views, that in which these images will be displayed in small. And if you want to change that into another grid view, that is possible. It will be displayed in grid view. If you want to change this into a mood board, it will be appearing as a mood board view. So all the collections, all the contents that you have added in this one can be seen very easily in this layout, in the mood board. It reduces the space. You can utilize the complete space using the mood board. By default, it is a media view. I'm just changing this into media view. Once after the editing, click on done. The wakelet collection climate change is ready with us. We have to share it with others. To share it with others, first of all, we have to change its visibility. We can change the visibility of the collection by clicking on the three dot button. Then click on change visibility. There are three options you can see: public, unlisted, and private. At present, this collection is private. Only you can see the collection. The owner can see the collection. To make it available to public, to everyone, you can use the public option. We are going to choose unlisted, because if you select unlist, the people with the link only can see the collection. It will not be available to the public. Only those people who is having the link shared by you can see the collection. I am choosing the unlisted at present and click on save. Now the visibility has been changed. After that, click on the share this collection icon. That is the arrow mark. That's a share this icon. That's in WhatsApp. We can see that forward button. The same kind of button you can see here. That is the share icon. Click on that. There you can see to whom that we can share. We can share it to the Google Classroom, Teams, Twitter, and so many other applications, including Facebook. You can share this collection directly. You can do it, or you can copy its URL. Copy this URL and you can give it to others. You can through the WhatsApp you can paste it, or you can use the Google Classroom in other ways. You can choose the Google Classroom from other window and paste this link to whom that you want to send. You can send it through the email also. These are possible with this. And if you want to convert it as a PDF, that is also possible by clicking on export as PDF. Clicking on export as PDF, it will be exported as a PDF file. The complete contents will be exported as a PDF file. Click export. That it will take 60 seconds for converting that into a PDF. Almost 1 minute it will take for the conversion. Okay, now it's converted very fast. Download PDF. If you want, you can download it as a PDF file. Let us see how it looks like once after downloading. It is there. Let us go and see. And after copying this one, you can paste into the WhatsApp or any other social media sites that you can give. So that's about the preliminary session on wakelet. Thank you all.